Ready.
Welcome guys back to Candy Progressive TV. I'm here again with another brand new movie. I hope you all watch it and enjoy it to the fullest. Thank you to all my subscribers and viewers. Thank you to everyone. Please tell a friend to tell a friend and a family to tell another family. You hear me? Kind of stutter on that one, but you understand what I'm saying. Please tell a friend to tell another friend, and please tell a family to tell another family. Okay? Please be respectful in your comments. No disrespectful word, okay? I love you all. And thank you again. And okay, you know what? I need to tell you this from a long time ago. Please go over to Richard Brown Films and subscribe. Okay? Please go over to Maggie Films and subscribe. Remember to subscribe to Candy Progressive TV and Empress what Empress TV is name
Empress
again?
G.
Please remember to subscribe to Empress G. You understand? Pan YouTube. We don't know where they are if you go find it. Remember, the name of the channel is Empress G. Please remember to go over there, like, subscribe, leave a comment and share. And she have a whole heap of something over there going, you know. She make all kind of season and everything. Our curry nice and our seasoning them nice. So no go try it out. Yeah, when you watch her how she do it and when you go and go learn how to do it. Or when you can order from her and she send it come and you pay for it. You understand? Yeah, bless up on yourself. Welcome again, Empress. Big up yourself. Empress 3. One love, I'm out.
Why am I have to find a new one for hustle? And white people are get too clever for me now, man.
More yourself, man. So you choke my foot, man. So I saw life going on. One time you hope someone tear you down, you feel me?
Why am I love how you fan me after you walk me out? Call me a sweat.
Go on to sleep.
Yeah, man, I'm tired out, man. I gotta find a new mark tomorrow. Alright, find me back now. Do. Thanks.
So, Dave, when you gonna cook up some? Yes. Yes.
your break late. I have to get up and go on the road, go find that mark here. Early bird catch the worm.
Oh, yeah, man. Okay.
I'm going to do my hustling now, yeah? Later.
We have a place to sell food here. Here, until you from breakfast here. Then come back to ride over here.
Beautiful day. Hello.
Wow.
Where you gone?
You know, so me out us away for one taxi, man.
Listen to me. I'm pregnant. I'm gonna know.
What? Jesus!
What do you mean, Jesus?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that? Listen to me.
What you say? Talk again.
Me say, me pregnant and you are father cause you are all man me have.
You know make woman here do.
Yeah, idiot. I'm for make my mother know. I'm for
Jesus.
make mother know say my stepfather bring me. You come like your mother.
Yo, which part of it?
Me the home and right now me hungry. Want something to eat.
So what you gonna do?
What do you mean? What kind of stupid question is that?
Me have to give you money for that shit, come woman and
You're
no.
mad? Me not dash my pitney. I'm the first pitney this year. I don't know if God gonna give me no more. So you try.
But I know God give it and me say don't. Me a come
Listen,
over there.
you try plan for take care of this year.
Jesus Christ. Me a come over there.
Alright.
Until we get for buying nothing.
What do you mean you're not get free by nothing? So we go tell my mother say make me come back you know. We go tell her say.
I'm gonna go back to that and then go back road.
Come like something wrong with you. What's your problem? Can we tell us I'm pregnant? So what frightening? If you know so we are doing it and you know so we always have unprotected sex. You know must expect something like this.
So where you go to your living when you have the baby?
Of course when we go live, when we go go.
Somebody is with you.
But we can't tell her say you're crazy. What happened?
Alright, then go back and shop and come back there.
So where you coming for then? No, where you coming for? Because this way you come
Tell me
from
come
the
like the
medicine.
sun leak me head. Me head starts spinning. If you run come safe, you alright.
Alright. It's just that I just feel bad and I want
Yeah, you want family.
family. Listen to me. Get some sweetie or something for when you come.
Cut off one and cut off. Walk inside and you some water. As if you're not from outside, you come back here.
Alright. Oh, you can come back.
Babes, you know, so when they need some more things in the house kind of dry, the cupboard dry right you know.
And hear me saying, everything kind of mix up and tie up. Me all I do too much work in the house. Say no, no. You take the plate them. Me we always clean up the yard and them something and sweep out in the house. And she shine up the floor. Come and down the place. Sometimes the place pull apart. Me not like it when the place pull apart. You get me? And we not even, we have to keep the place more tidier than that, man.
Hey, you talk tidy, me not talk tidy, you know, money me I talk. The cupboard I run dry.
Oh,
Just
she talk food
we need
stuff.
food.
I go buy food. You know, say me always, matter of fact, I go buy food now, but I wash up the plate them first. Where you are going to do? Find something to do, man. Me I go wash up the plate them.
But I'm hungry now.
Nothing at all in there for cook.
So
Not
you
even
have-
mackerel.
I have to go shop first. Then I come back and wash up the plate then.
That way I say.
Alright, some money on the bed then. Me go wash up the plate them.
Alright.
Come just a dump on food, so.
Like so we don't need to eat. I need to talk to you differently. You know how long me want him to get up. It's about time you get a job, you know. You're 23-year-old, you know. And him barely can find money for me, much less my stepdaughter.
So what you trying to say?
Me I try say you need for look at work. Also, right? Me I notice from where there. You think so me not test your little girl? Eh? Me tell you about Miss Mary daughter. And with me here just come talk about it. Every little thing so me talk to you, you run to it and talk. You mouth to
Oh, go on.
me I got left him too. Wish do she so? Me I got left that cause him not no use to me. What do you?
Alright, man. Probably a true or something when me eat. So where do that say now?
Me say me I got left. Me think say me I got left him. Him not no use. But him not know yet.
No, your mommy are right thing you do left you. Make you have somebody when I look for you and give you money and then look for something there.
My money we need.
Yeah, money I need.
So, you alright though? Nothing to do you. So
what you mean? What you asking the place and about nothing?
well, you just run
Oh,
out
so
sick.
you did want something to do me? Actually, you want me left your place and come talk about if nothing to do me. And so your parents like you?
Try
One
no
man.
say all me know. Try no say adjust your attitude. Look for work and look for a place to go. Cause boy, him not really have it like that.
Mama, me understand what you're saying now. Yeah, me 23 times when I go to work. But remember saying, me never send you my father for go trouble me. So you have to take care of me until me feel like me want to get a job.
Till you're 18, you pass 18, how much donkey years ago? Nobody think, and another thing. Nobody think send me and you tell the same thing, you know.
What do you mean by that?
Mean by that, me I noticed from the other day you are giving attitude. The only one who can give attitude in this your place are me. He might be a stepfather, but if you have manners. Oh.
Manners never country.
In a grow
But we
pantry.
respect you. So what you're trying to say, I don't respect him? That's what you're trying to say?
And you must know, I mean, notice a change since the other day.
What do you mean you notice that?
You talk to him like say you and him a size. And me and him there. And you're going like say you and him a size.
Mommy, nobody with that. That's how people talk. Oh, you want me to talk to him? Like me a baby? Eh? You have me cry to him?
Well, as you bring it up, and since you're no baby, you don't know my history already. Since you are telling me, say you walk and you can't find job. Hustle, my girl, hustle.
Hustle what?
Hustle. Use your blessing God give you. Hustle.
Mommy, I can't do that.
Eh? You get it in your genes. You know how me used to roll. And me, you think say a straight job me can do? Him can't provide shit. You think say a straight job provide all this? A man me go hustle and work it. And bring in what little penny me can bring in. Yeah, laugh like say you too big for that.
Yeah, me too big for that.
Eh, so
look
you're
how, look how me pretty. Not time for that.
Yes, where your money a come from?
Batter around me.
Where your money a come from, my girl?
Where my money a come from? Oh, mommy, not worry about it. I remember saying me a big woman, so if me I get money, that not have nothing to do with you. Me not pick me again.
Oh, okay. So you get money out the street, I mean I know.
Mommy, so not everything you gonna know like when me a pick me a big woman.
Okay, America, this big woman, here what? Since you're a big woman, with big woman money and everything and can maintain yourself, try find somewhere go. The place too small. Hey, you think it look right? Me, my man and you are sleeping in a bed. Hey, all when girl, me not, since you're a big woman, I can't talk to you like you're a big woman. You're cock block my thing right now. Hey, all the other night me want to get wild on my man. I me have to hold it down, come and dance in the bed.
In
And
the bathroom.
in a funny place.
Go to the
Little
bathroom.
girl, you need to look, you need to come out here. 3 we can't run, 3 the job we can't roll in the one house.
You mean 2 up you can roll now?
Me no business, 3 me no business, 3 we can't there. 3 is company. 2 is company, 3 is a crowd. You ever hungry? Eh? Why? This your baby? I go eat more than you. You think what you gonna do?
This guy from the bed right now sitting coming out for look. Ever done cook?
This not gonna work, my girl. This not gonna work. Me done talk to you already. Say 3 is a company. Now you're gonna come bring 4 or maybe even the way you eat 5, 6. Have me and my man then. Eh? All the way you gonna sleep in the one bed.
Oh, go sleep. Me not know what to do.
Me tell you already. Instead of take man, you should have take job and go get your own money. Me don't tell you how for hustle. If you did hustle, me did tell you for hustle. Eh? Even if you did come in with belly, you'd have something to show face. Who is the father them need for pay? Me one now go look after you on it. Who is the father? Come.
Mommy, when the time right, you know I find. Oh, yourself, that's what meet you.
When the time right, the time was right before him take you in that way.
Mommy, remember something a big woman.
Big woman, and you don't know who the father is?
Me know who want my baby father.
So what's the shame to tell me? Are you ugly, so? You can't tell me who is the father.
When the time is right, you will know the baby father.
Oh, so the time is not right.
No.
When me provide money and you have to feed you or you picnic them. Eh? And who for yard you really think you bring picnic in?
Yes.
Eh, you're wrong. You're wrong, my girl. You're wrong. So find something, do quick.
I'm not find nothing to do.
Plenty man want wash head. Plenty man want wash head. You know how much man that would interest them? And them things turn up for, cause they want wash head. Or when enough of them head for wash, go make another man wash the head. Or go to the father and make him provide money. Me not see you come in with no money, me just see you on your mouth everything.
The father always a provider.
Who is this father, so? Here, you a breed? Huh? My man can't give me nothing. So here what? Me have to go up on the road, go hustle.
She mean our man.
What you say what?
Oh no, I didn't.
What you say what?
Mommy, you not listen to what me and say now, mommy. Mommy have to listen. Me say me can't wait to have the baby if you go look at work so you can stay home with the baby and that me and say. Nah, listen, mommy have to listen. So when you get so ignorant from mommy? You say you gotta work, go on to work, man.
Let me tell you something here and now. is one thing you still there for, you know. True, you not know where to go yet. You, baby, however many, nah, Tanya. So you better start look. Oh.
Come on, man, I cannot.
As a matter of fact, America, come here. Come in and take this straightness about cool down. Come here to me, please and thanks.
Jesus Christ. Mommy, I'm gonna ask one simple question. When are you pregnant with me? I saw your mother did not stress you out.
My mother never have to stress me out, so. And that's so me did a go on with her. Let me tell you something.
I'm tired, mother, and every minute, yeah, stress me out.
Stress.
Like, you want something wrong with me?
Let me tell you something. You agreed with how much other picnic.
So why you ask always that's how much of a picnic? How much picnic you have? No one.
You get scammed yet? You know how much you carry? Exactly.
No put no if a picnic for me.
You don't do it yourself. You agreed. Just to not give me nothing. So me have to go hustle. Cause this not gonna work. Me, no, Tanya and mine, you, and how much picnic, and while you block my business.
Block your business.
And you can't even tell me who the papa. You don't know who the papa is, man.
Alright, Mama, let me tell you something. Me a big woman. I am 23 years old, and if me not ready to tell her who the baby father is, you cannot force me to tell her who the baby father is. You understand me? So me say when the time is right, me go tell her who the baby father. As a matter of fact, you know the father.
Me know the father?
Yes, you know the father.
Try no son of one of my man them. No take my hustle and tell me say you is sweet and innocent, you know.
Listen, mommy. Listen to me, mommy. You see why me know why you meet me baby father? Because might be my snatching because of that the type of work that you do.
So you're going like saying a bad thing. This your job been going on before the beginning of time, and it's still good enough. It provide for you and send you go to school. We hear what Miss Mota Massey. You see when you're there for hospital and your foot them cock up so, and you're bad, mommy, the pain. Nobody remember me. Remember. Hey my girl, remember this. You see when you're there hospital, I cock up your foot so, and I ball, mommy. No, remember say you have my mother. Now remember say you have a mother. Cause me not good enough to know who the baby pooper is, and you diss me for my.
Hello, I walk on now. See food now. I'm gonna sell now.
Thank you, yeah, babe. I don't know what to do shit.
Awa.
This one have attitude. And she don't know see me a backside down, you know. She don't know see me a accountant. She forget who me be, you know. You don't know me and who. You know this. And I rank with me. I bring picnic in ya. Or picnics in ya. And I rank with me on top of it. She don't know me and who, you know. Lower the voice if she never come perplex my brain. If it wasn't for you, you know, baby, you keep me sane.
You will have people when analyze it when you're young, but give her a little chance, no, man. You used to rush her, so take time with her, man. That, and our first picnic. Remember, say I feel picnic that, you know, man. Or your grand picnic that are coming up. Easy, man.
Me tell anybody say me ready for grand picnic. Look how me tan him. Me look like grandmother to you. Look like me ready for old woman. Lucky.
Where am I there?
Oh, she not there yet. She gone to work.
Someone give a piece of money for go buy some fruits and some cheese and something. Come no baby mother always want spring water and something there, isn't it?
Yeah, cause me feel for milk, you know, so I'm glad that you give me this second one day and something there. So, where you come from?
The road, me tell you, man.
Road you there?
Tired too, you know, I wash one go out, I wash off.
So my cousin come in here to go wash off.
I was on the road, I was sweaty and be a dust blow upon me. Go and go get where you want to get, man. I don't really want nothing, just want water I could have want.
Alright, so I'm just gonna put on my clothes and then we'll get better, yeah?
Beauty.
Alright, so we come.
Who this one call me? Marika. Hello. Wagwan. Yeah, me there for me yard. Where you there? The nearby. Alright, then come. Me door up my hair. Yeah, man, there for the step.
Ashley?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
There. So good.
Yeah, boy.
Just stay and chill out yourself and you call me a while ago and say you're calling me.
Yeah. Want to talk to you? Alright, me just a baby. One of the things that go on in my life now where me can't keep it, baby. I go through a lot of stress and you know, look at family issue and something.
Can you understand?
And I am all the person I can't trust because I can't trust nobody else. So I didn't ask her if I can keep my baby for some time for me, please.
Of course.
Sure.
Yeah, man. We stay there for you.
Them are stuff, they make her more stuff come here, but we just have to grab up for local stuff. Feed Andrew, feed Nani and her back in India, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and the money in her bag, the money in there, I have to buy pampers and feeding when they run out, you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
I understand.
Yeah, I say, you know why I try so? Because when we used to go to school, I had all the friends I could have talked to. I had all the friends always did it for me.
It's nice,
I remember the time we were at school and you teacher lick back your teacher and I tell you say you don't lick your teacher because you want to be a man.
Yeah.
And then,
Remember, girl.
and the teacher lick you again and you lick it back and run out and
Them are nice,
yeah, they're nice.
You buy nice things for your baby man.
Mm-hmm.
And say hot girl for a man. And they nice good socks for you.
Yeah. Pampers in there.
Full of clothes, we can dress her up.
Yeah.
Boy.
But we still bring more clothes for her because it's not enough. You understand? You don't have to take out everything. You just say everything in there. And the money there in our bag.
Yeah, man, we see everything.
Yes. You know what I
Yeah.
I'm just say take good care of Pitney. I'm not saying I take good care, but as a mother, you know, so
I want to me take good care of that. You know, so we are friends from school days. And those friends alone, we are family. We are come from far.
But you see, money when I bag, as me say, I feel baby. But in me go carry some money, can give you differently if you feel yourself. Because not because me your friend, you know, me still a pay if you take care of my dad. You understand?
Alright.
But once she run out, I don't call me when me know me carry money.
Alright, me hold her. You see, I heard. You know, so we are friends from school days. So you know, yeah.
Yes.
So she's nice.
Nice.
So she's nice.
Yes.
What is her name?
Her name is Malia.
So, what make you make she stay with your mother?
I never tell her the truth. Even though me and a friend, I never tell her nothing about my mother, you know. But I say my mother did have this bad sickness with her heart. She sick with her heart. And she passed. Yeah, rest in peace in heaven, mommy.
Girl, nobody feel like so me no want to stay with the baby now. Me and a friend.
I
But we just
understand.
did a ask.
No man, the question I made to ask, you know.
So, what about the father?
Him? I'm gonna tell you something, Ashley. A whole heap of things are going on we don't know about, you know. Right now, I'm stressed, I'm frustrated. I look at things that I have you when I can call upon. Because, to tell you the truth, Ashley, you know, say, one day man go see if he go fish. You know what happened to him? Shot near him. Yeah, shot near him. So see everything left by me one I have to go look work and then look at something that right now, I don't know me, I got to make me stress out. I don't know, but ask me about him again. Do that. Anyway, I can't stay up no longer. I have to go pray. So take care of your baby for me, yeah? Alright.
Come on.
Malia, later, yeah? Mommy love you. Hey, remember, no make nobody know say I'm my picnic.
No, girl, I want your money.
Let them know say I feel picnic. You
Yeah,
understand?
man. Everything is already.
So later,
Come on.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Oi, me a come. Hey, come. You alright?
Yeah, we alright.
Hello. Mwah. Hello, baby girl. Mwah. Come in. How the journey, alright? Long time you not see your granny, not true. She quiet though.
I just take her from her father and tell him to buy her ice cream and I just carry up here if you go look for you.
Oh, God bless you. So you come for stay with grandma? You gotta stay the night, not true? Me, you gotta stay the night too. But me love how she quiet and nice. Different to you when you grow up. What? You never so quiet. Oh, God. Malia, say hello to grandma.
Say hi.
Hello, my grandbaby.
She not that much, she just wake up.
You gonna come to grandma? Come to grandma? Oh, God.
She not
See then now it's cause she don't know me. Me not see her enough, man. You gonna stay with grandma tonight? She gonna stay, right?
No.
You gonna keep her? No,
I
man.
carry her back today.
Why you carry her back today? Look how long we not.
Say ice cream, I go buy her and I just bring her up here.
No, man. Look how she don't know her grandmother. You know that not right. America not right. She fi know her grandmother, man. Hey, baby. Not true. Tell mommy say you want to stay. Yeah, come now. Come to grandma. See the how she has stiff up. Come to grandma. You have to know your grandmother too. Sit there. Oh God, no baby. You have to know grandma. Oh, hush. You have to know grandma. See there? I bet you shouldn't do that for the other grandparents.
We have to understand, man. Remember say you not have to like that to take care of me and the baby, you know. So it's best if she stay there so where she comfortable. Where you know so everything alright. Remember say them the people that rich and more money. We not have you like that, so you have to understand me know how you feel.
Money and everything, you don't know how I feel, America, because you can see her anytime you want. You know how it break my heart. My own granddaughter, I can't even hold my own grandchild. My one grandchild, I can't hold. You know how it feel? It's not right, America, it's not right.
Me know say it alright, mommy, but you have to understand. Understand now? And by the way, a few hours in give me with the baby. As me tell her, me have to go bring her back now because in say ice cream. Me tell him say ice cream me go buy. So me have to go bring her back.
No. Oh God, I don't even get to spend no time with her.
Mommy, she don't want to spend no time with her neither. She just want to go back home.
Come, alright, come give grandma a hug. Let me hug her. Come give grandma a hug and kiss. Come.
Alright, later, mama, later.
Sit there now, my own grand pick me and know me. It's not right, America, it's not right. It's not right. My own grandchild.
Ashley, what happened? How is baby? She alright? Oh, that's nice. Oh, money when me give you, I fi buy feed, pampers, wipes, and chips and juice. All of them look something there. Yeah, girl, I really appreciate you doing this to me because you know say you are older friend me can call upon because me go way back. We used to do road and then look something there. So me glad how you do this to me. Yeah. Then that's time I rent your house. That's where you don't know nobody. When nobody don't know you. Remember, don't tell nobody say I feel me picking. A year, because I know nobody know, make them feel say a year picking. Yeah. You remember her name? Her name is Malia. Yes. Where is she now? Put her up on the phone. Hi, mommy baby. What? Actually, guess what? Later, my mother will come. Me no want she know nothing. Alright, later.
Finally going to see my baby. America. Where my baby there? When me phone you today, me hear my love on the phone. Where she there? You leave the baby a lie down and you know the bed high. Where she there? Where my baby there? You look at me so.
Mommy, come sit down and talk.
Mine, you make she drop off of the bed, you know. If she asleep, you put pillow around her.
Mommy, if the baby did die, your mother in my room, but the baby.
So where she there?
When I call today, I hear Malia Ball and father come here today. Yes, and when he come here, he create one piece of excitement for me. In a yard, all the neighbor them come out. When the boy come and say, "Oh, what kind of dirty place this is?"
What's
You
here?
have a picnic and stay. And you say your mother your mother still on there and sitting there. And you have me picnic in them type of environment. And I don't want me picnic here, so give me my picnic. And I tell me, say, I not give me picnic. Boy, come in the house and cause baby did up on the bed and take up him picnic. And the man go on with himself and I call me dirty girl and sitting. Mommy and I say he was too little for him picnic grow up in a me and say what kind of style them here. If I diss me dirty them mommy me not tell a lie.
What's here? Come in my house, come this my home trigger in our face.
I'm gonna tell him.
And how you can just make him come in sir and take the baby? You never even try to stop him.
Mommy, me could do nothing. Me could do nothing. If you say that the man they tall and maga and lanky and me if you black him. In thick. And if you black him, the man shoot me down and go for him picnic. We can. But by the way, mommy ain't rich. Them live in our mansion, a 5 car here, you know, and 6 bike. So, and his mother take pay like taxi. So, me feel like mother we more alright there. So, you understand, should we get a better education, everything alright. I remember say, people have a on street say, yeah, sell mommy. So, they must say, they don't want the baby come grow up and be like you.
Them a go on like say, them they have no history too, and them perfect, eh? So what if me go out there and do little hustling? Like say them no hustle too. Them are the biggest hustler. Like say them not take them man and got to go restaurant, do hair and nails. And not the same thing. Me just take the money instead of do things. So you alright with that? You know where she there at least?
Yeah, me know where she there. When me ready, me can check on her and so forth. But other day, me carry the man, when me tell the man some want him for meeting, so you don't want me to because be a dirty lifestyle of this, so.
But see
I don't want to see you, so I don't think you're able to meet him.
me don't want to meet that the neither because if me not good enough for him not good enough for me. But see, me I gonna miss the baby still, but me not gonna miss the pampers and everything. Cause everything and me a change her and me a feed her.
So I complain, you complain now, you see me glad I'm gone because you complain. If you never gonna to complain.
Complain, me just I tell you if you take up responsibility. Hello, good evening. You know this little girl, you know. Melia, you alright?
You know,
This is my granddaughter.
granddaughter.
Yes.
How come she be a granddaughter?
So hold on. And my daughter.
A grandpit I look for teeth.
Which thief? Girl, if me ever lick you. So hold on. You is her father, sister or something?
No. It's my friend baby. Don't know what you're talking about, miss.
And who is your friend?
Oh man, you really see with my friend baby. I walk and you go come ask me say who is my friend? My friend named Marika.
Yes, my picnic. Yes, where she come from. And my granddaughter did. What?
Please take your hand off her baby.
If you never hold my grand pick me with a shot your box, you piss
You hear
yourself.
about
How
grandpit
your
me?
box with?
Miss, don't touch my friend baby, a brighty.
I feel your friend to the picnic. I'm a grandbaby that you carry.
Don't tease a woman
Come
here.
to grandma, baby.
Miss, go on, miss. Don't do that.
You know me,
Don't do it again.
You know me, a whole little girl. I walk with my grandpa now, box my hand way.
Let me tell you something. You know when time me and Marika play at school and I do badness, or sometimes we hold from school. You don't know we when you do badness.
So you brought me pick me out. Make sure I know manners. Now me find the root of all evil and you carry my grandpa. You can give me my picnic. Let's see how we do.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I don't sure if you is
You don't
this
even know her name.
Listen to me. I don't sure if it's the grandmother, you know. Say no way. You can't breathe. You can't
But
breathe.
girl, you face
You
it.
can't breathe again.
How America come into the world?
Huh?
How America come into the world if me never stretch my foot and push her out?
Go look at your old and time about your grandpity. Why may you go miss and don't
Me
do that?
darling, my
Don't do it
grandpicnic.
again.
Me don't know you if you thief my
Put
grandpicnic.
this up.
How you get my grandpicnic and she's supposed to stay with her father for your family? Eh? And you are not her father family.
Miss,
How you get my grandpicnic?
Are you stop me now? Are you stop me and not me stop you? So how comes you want to take picnic from me? And are you stop me? Don't do that. Don't do that, miss.
How you get my grandpicnic out of her father family? She there with her father and her father family. How you get my grandpicnic? Her friend. So how you have my grandbaby and she's supposed to be with her father and her father family and you are not her family?
Miss, I'm Marika, my friend. Marika give me baby to look after. And she a 0 months old and she a 2 now. She a 2-year-old now.
Hold on. What you say? My daughter give you her daughter to look after from she a baby?
Yes, when she a baby, she carry her come and ask me if me can look after her. And I tell her, say, yes, because me and her friend and we are best friend from school days. So, I just take the baby and look after the baby.
Every day, backward and forward.
Every day, like every single day. You know all the things she do? She will carry money, come give me to buy pampers and feed and wipes for the baby. She even tell me, say, she go pay me. And every time she come, me ask her for money, she say, she will give me. But me not watch that still, because a baby, me just keep her and look about her. You know what me I say? Yeah.
Malia live with you?
Yes. She live with me.
Hold on. And you are not nothing to her father?
Nothing. Yeah, your daughter, a friend. Best friend.
No, sir, let me start this again. I never mean to shout after you, you know. I'm Charmaine. As me said earlier, America, my daughter. What your name?
My name is Ashley.
Me remember her talk. So all this time, are you a raise my grandbaby?
Yeah, me telling you the truth, miss. From the baby young, 0 months old, I keeping this baby.
No, sir. America tell me, say, and have it round the whole district, say, huh? The baby father, who she still can't name yet, huh? Him say, me not good enough. Cause me is this and me is that and my house is this and my house not good enough. And him have mansion and his family have car mart up a Mandeville and wara not. And him take her. Him come in a barge in my yard and take her from she a baby, you know? From she a baby.
Oh my, I mean have the baby. So I was so frightened a while ago. Me frightened. When you said this is my grandchild, because you know that people kidnapping babies, and you know me I talk
And
about.
that me think with you, to be honest, that me think with you. See there, all the hair them from my hand that stand up. Jesus, how America lies so.
Miss, you can't believe say for so much years me and Marika friend America really come tell me like miss, and no me can't believe this yeah. You know what she tell me say? She tell me say her mother sick with her heart and dead.
What?
Yes, that she tell me. And you know what she tell me again? See her baby father go see and shot him.
I would.
So you know what she had to know? She tell me say when she tell me all of that, she tell me to keep the baby and she will pay me. And no, she not pay me, but me still keep the baby because me have a good heart. Miss, I truly have a good heart now. And I baby this and she still a my friend.
Boy, me never know sir, so America wicked and bad. And you know sir, me not have it like that, you know. But you know, see how America look good. Me with a butter and try and find a way. She never have to do this. Thank you, here. Thank you for telling me.
Alright, no problem.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You hold your hand. America. But what is not this?
What?
Our clothes are fixed up.
What?
The place smell frozen, man.
What?
Me know that smell. Me know that stink. I want to go on in here, sir. And nobody else say that. I want to go on.
They say, where comes here, go on? No,
Wanna
where
fix
comes
up
here, go on?
clothes I do.
Don't go to see, come
Wanna
on,
fix
phone.
up clothes I do. Where you are go on. No. What going in here, sir? Me come in here, me no see you. Then me come in and see clothes are fixed up. And me I say it straight then. Me I say it straight then. Me come in and see a dirty sex in my room and me not there. Huh? How me come in and smell sex in the room?
Woman, I want you.
What happened to me? What happened to you? What go on yourself? What go on yourself? Clothes are fixed up.
Not go on.
I your daughter that, you know.
And I'm stepfather that, you know. So what you thinking of your brain?
What if you think?
Out of the bathroom, I'm turn up right to the curtain and look.
Only things I born yesterday. Not true.
Let me tell you something. This is so man think it's so easy. So don't feel like you want to come blame me because when we could do this all straight face Rasta man. I don't want him.
I idiot, my ton.
Look,
Me come in there and me know what me smell. Me know what me see.
Mommy, not because the other things I wrote that means say man I do the same thing.
Me deal with you after. Since we have come out with everything. What my granddaughter?
You know your granddaughter that we mean by
Who is my granddaughter, Papa? Who breed you?
So I do things on road and I quiet.
Who breed you?
You not answer that one day. You do things on road and I quiet.
You do things in our bed under the quiet and get catch. You can't talk.
No, don't start off fooling me.
Who is the father? And bear in mind, me I go warn you. Me know the truth. Me meet your friend Ashley. I may never know before. So remember that when you tell me who breed you.
Ashley. Oh no, Ashley.
Little girl, you really are look at my face and lie? You lie. You take after your papa. You lie in the hell. Me meet Ashley. Alright? Me meet Ashley with Theo Pickney. With my granddaughter Malia. You want to know more what me know? Who are the baby daddy?
Alright. It seems like you know what heap of things and not saying it. So, you want to know who is the baby daddy? You really and truly want to know who is the baby
Nice,
daddy?
me not ask you for how long.
Okay. My stepfather is the baby daddy.
What you say what? No, hold on. What you say what?
Your man, which is my baby father, are the baby daddy.
My man?
No, our man.
No, a joke can't make.
No,
You
I'm
couldn't.
serious.
No, little girl. Who is your baby daddy? Now run them the kind of joke with me. 'Cause you know, say your mother already. Who are your baby father?
I'm just tell it, oh, baby father. Take it or leave it.
I say you gotta do it.
Uh-huh.
I say you gotta do it. You're a bad man. Get your things and come out. Take your crosses and come out to my yard. You and... Come out to my yard.
As a matter of fact, I know say a long time I want me to live. You never want me here in the first place. And just because me dey pregnant for my stepfather, which is my baby father, make me dey stay here.
Yeah. Come out. But see, I would make case and come out to my yard, little girl. Eh? My man, you really bring from my man under my nose? Huh?
You know drop down yet.
Come out to me yard. Where you are go?
You know, go with me youth.
Which
You
youth?
must have a stage for me youth there.
Which
You
youth?
never really give me a youth from your destiny, no.
Which youth? You not go nowhere. You get out of me yard. Get out of me yard. Come out.
Come on.
Breathe from my man.
Come
My
on.
man.
Long time she did want to send me out, and I just now went there in her house and go and make sure you do.
I can't stand her. Get her out. Get her out. Right from my man. And all you let me go to. Let me go.
I can't breathe that way, you know.
Breathe who? Let me go. Really?
Stop. I can't eat that no more.
Really?
Go along with there, so. Alright, go up on the bed.
Don't touch me.
Go
Don't
on the-
touch me. Let me go.
Go up on the bed.
Let me go. I'm gonna go to my go. Let me go now.
on.
Let me go, man.
Come on the
We
bed.
can't talk to you.
Easy, man.
We can't talk to you.
Easy,
We
man.
hate you.
Easy, man.
Breed my daughter.
Easy.
You know, breed me and you breed my picnic. Eh? You breed my picnic. What wrong with me?
Girl.
What wrong with me?
Listen,
Huh?
man. Go up on the bed and show you something, man. And stop.
Show who? Who you gonna
You shouldn't
touch?
come out yourself.
Who you gonna
So now
touch?
you stay in a sand,
You
can't
breed
touch
my daughter. My daughter. So how long?
it. No part of you that, man. Come on, man.
Part of me what?
Alright, cow
Part
done
of
it.
me
Cow
what?
done it that. Let me say cow done it that. Cow done it that. You hear me say?
Done with what?
Come be carrying that about some baby off
You think so it go? Eh?
What you mean we can go son? When you're there saying, no, calm down yourself, man. There's a misunderstanding that you know behave. And you know say me love you already. Come on. Easy, man.
You hurt me, man. You hurt me. And it's not the first time.
Come here, man. I know say me love you already, man. See?
Actually, you know someone love me, you know.
Alright. Go on, pan it.
Sure. Hello? Sister? Wow. I'm not alright. My mother put me out a while ago. We can't
when we come would have to talk to you about that. The baby, she get her father, but I can't go for her anytime. But I just want someone when I know I can stay. Alright, I'm just on my way now. Yeah. Sister. 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 What was it? We just talked to her 1.5 hours ago. She knows me I come here, so I can't let this lady lock up and gone. Crystal! Crystal!
Watch me nice sister. Hold on.
No man, me happy to say that, but me happy to see.
Wait, no, guess
because
what?
how me fi dey come, I me a call about how long now me a call and you not answer me. What happen?
Sister, me sorry about it. Me did in the bathroom.
Yeah,
Me did in the bathroom, man. Me just about to take off my clothes to go have me shower, but me hear like somebody a call me. That's why I come out and I not really hear you. You know, me kinda hear you. So what I go on now in my kitchen, I living room, me hear Crystal, so me just come out same time. Me jump the door. Oh God. So what go on?
Tell her the truth. I will leave her one.
What happened now? You and your mother can't agree. From ever since so much years you live with your mother. You and your mother can't agree. What happened? Why not catch up about again? You know, want she play them. Because I know you're lazy for a long time, you know, when you did there for my mother yard. Because I remember saying, no. My mother have one boy and one girl. Me, you, and we brother. So, at three away. Only difference is because you have a different mother. So we are same father, but different mother. Two of we are same mother. You are different mother. I know me can't see for your mama. And you're a big old 23-year-old woman now. I will make sure I hide from what she know what she used to do. My mother
and
used to...
still at it.
My mother, Jesus Christ, how you manage she? My mother used to tell me how she and her are the best friend from school, and they end up do the same type of work one time they wash people clothes. She left and say, that is your mother, you know. My mother tell me about her because she did find out, say, your mother, they with Philly father. That is before you born, you know. I remember saying, me and my brother older than you. We born before you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Philly father. So, my mother used to tell me, say, you know, your mother and she had did friend for a long time. And the two of them used to do the same work, washing. Children got people here and go wash clothes. No good work that day. You know better you do that than go sell your front. Sell your body. We are big woman now, we can talk. When I did little, I couldn't hold certain conversation with you. But your mother terrible, you know. She not stop cuss off my father or she want you to come grow with she. Because she more responsible to take care of you. I wish girl, my mother said, okay, you can go on. The two of we did go to school and we never get no education. And now me tell us if you make me and you go do housekeeping, grown and wash people dirty clothes and sing, you ready to go sell front, go on. So she take east and my mother take west. And she go. Me don't know how she meet up on my pa and breed and get you. So, me know you're my sister. And if she run you out,
She run me up because she want to carry more than one man today. Me today and the woman carrying different man come 6 on the bed and I want baby in there, you know.
Why she run out?
Because she want carrying man.
Because she want carrying man.
Yes.
And you talk to her about it?
Me talk to her about it and she get offended and some must come out her house.
You know, she tell her say, you have mind your own business and leave her alone.
Then what they not call me and tell me say it makes sense, me go sell it to her and make some money.
She tell her if you go sell her front door?
Yes.
Jesus
What a mother
God.
tell me that.
What a mother that day?
When me pregnant, he say I belly me carry her house instead of me go sell me front and make money me carry belly.
A lie.
Mm-hmm.
So, you introduce your baby father to her and everything?
No.
Why? Because maybe she'll go take with your baby father.
I same thing, me say to you when me and her catch up. Me say me no want to introduce my baby father to you, next thing you go snatch him away with that.
All
God,
that
that's
again.
your good for.
God, she get certificate to take with people, man.
I tell you.
Take man college, she
good
go.
for
She
me.
ain't terrible. Me no know her, you know.
Graduate from school with
Me no know her, but me hear about her. Because remember, say she and my mother used to go to the same school. Jesus God. And my mother and your mother never take them book at school. But at least my mother said she will wash dirty clothes with her and then she go on like she too hype to go wash people dirty clothes. She said she rather go sell front. So how you manage with them type of man the way she a carry in her house, my love?
Sometimes I don't know. Sometimes I just walk out her room and go to the house.
That with some mother. When they live with their daughter, they don't understand, say, children live what they learn and they learn what they live. And you're a girl child and she carry no much man and going and come out. Then she don't live with a man, she not no man. She not no personal man.
She have a man. But when the man they gone in, just sneak one next one in her place.
She live with a man?
Yes.
Like her personal man when she live with?
Personal, but the man don't know say that the work she have.
Jesus. Hey.
So when the man they gone on the road, I back door mirror and I come go look at one next one.
So you never afraid, my sister, you know, could have called me long time and tell me say, oh, I'm out of that, they was the house full of crosses. So she really carry no much man for you in there?
One back and one. You know room for rent when I run in, you run out.
Oh God.
That is happening there.
So true you talk to her about deep and money when she keep she run you out?
Yes.
Oh God.
So my baby father did that say I want to baby stay at house because I lifestyle of my mother. So him take a baby because he say I want the baby grow up.
You know I don't wrong that man. I don't wrong him. He's a cool here, I'm Indian.
My
Oh. I mean, did want you to get pregnant for one Chinese, you know. Because the Chinese, they might take over Jamaica, you know, and we could have reach. And we own a store and we own a supermarket and so, you know, say, oh, like, the Chinese, they might take over Jamaica. Lord have mercy. Some would have want Chinese. Chop blouse and skirt. Next time when you breed for your Chinese man. So your baby father take care of you?
Yeah, take care of baby and give baby stuff.
So
but
when
you have a baby, what you mean by?
No, I mean like, although you have a baby, give money and take care of
Yeah,
your same way.
man, take care of me, so do you.
So when I can't go your baby father yard, we say, why you come down here? So I say, you can't come to my yard and save me because I'm a good sister.
I say, baby father, me and him not really on good terms.
Oh, maybe all him all want mix gigolo too. Can't keep one woman. He ain't love you then, because how comes he rather keep the baby and he don't want you a female yard?
I don't know. And his parents and their yard as well too, so.
Him live with him parents? But me up on the phone one day when you call me and tell me how they rich and when they can build one house girl and put you on in child. Uno child.
Instead of looking to certain things, he want wait for one big food to come in. So when that come in, he will help me build up the house and support.
So me hear your pop story give me one day about how much bike on the road and how much car. I really sitting here that you are trick me.
No, I really sitting here tell about.
So I say your baby father have money, them a scammer? No more know if him a scammer.
You want to know too much now, man. And everything good.
Then your big sister that I know me can't say anything. I know nothing bad. Me I
but
tell you
the
figure do.
outside with them, we know the inside.
I don't know. Me not tell you nothing bad. Cause your mama when they carry much man pan you, they feel she a run you out to you talk to her about it. Why anyway?
So see them, me tell her my business now start taking.
Nobody not hear me not tell you and of course we talk. Them the kind of woman they will talk bad things about them because they do all kind of sitting in front of them girl child and make the girl child grow up and think so they if do it too. That is not right. Woman must be careful when they have girl child. I don't care how much you could have 100. She should not do any nastiness in front of you. They change different man.
And everything
So you don't have no man take care of your yard?
No,
What
I don't care no man I yard.
What a lucky thing you
If
never...
my man, me go get my man.
Oh. So,
Me not do that. Only me do a sweet thing.
what a lucky thing, master.
Lucky thing say me not come like her. I must have a
And a lucky thing you didn't care no man a fear yard. It's a long time. Should I run you out? Come in, my sister. I'm glad to meet you. Bless up yourself. Welcome again. Welcome. But to me love it story, you know. And we love chat on phone. And a long time. I love people business and a long time. Me no see you. Big up yourself. Come in, the girl. Long time I see my good sister come. Wait. As you come, before any little thing, this is your room. I say you look funny like you know ya. And when any young guy used to come here and see your place change up and look different. Anyway, see your room here. And that is your bed. This is your room. So, you like it?
I like it, I love it.
Alright, so you can sleep on a bed here. My room there around here, so you place up different not true, because years me not see no girl up here call you call me on phone and look out. Yes, you're easy, you catch on me yard. And look how much time me they tell us if you come look for me.
True.
All your brother they say when me cannot come look for me, you just stand a country so and now come down here.
True.
Master, I feel you up
Nice
again.
man.
Yes. You can go up and you go to see, you know, what do you? You did bed before you come?
Come out of my room.
Oh, sorry.
Come out of my room.
Sorry.
You're very out of order.
Sorry.
I can't go.
Watch out. My brother, they call me with this. One, bro. You alright? Me know say when you want something from me, you call me. You know what? Me this send some money come give you. You act like a foreign me there. Still Jamaica. Me uncle there Negril. And you there St. Elizabeth. What your problem? You come down here today? So how far you... Oh, you're already there on the way. My backside. You're there on the scheme where me live. You're too lie. You love call people and trick them too much. Make sure you carry some good vegetable from St. Elizabeth for me, you know. Okay, I say, bro. Oh, this is a message. Then I see me from my phone. No, man, I know you may talk. I saw a message come in from Snapchat and I say, hey, what you say? Make sure you say, you don't care nothing. Just a two empty answer. What you mean you need to come to stay? Actually, you long to see me. Me have one surprise for you. Bro, come. Hurry up and come. You don't know when I live already because you always come to me yard. You see the on the scheme, that means you're not too far. Hurry up and come. Alright.
What, my sister?
Bro, you good?
A long time I don't see you.
True, man. You know, you take so long. You try come in, come and sit down right now.
I'm tired, you see?
You can come, you know me already, you know. You can come on the veranda with your shoes, but you're not going inside with your shoes. You know me, stay already when you
You
come
can't put
on.
on for that, sir?
Yeah, for now. Come here, go wipe it down tomorrow.
I'm tired, I'm thirsty.
Me have drinks in there and water for you. You know, you me tell you, say, me have one surprise for you.
I'm surprised, my sister.
Watch out. We sister, we not see for all long. Be a phone call, she dey make one phone and a call. We know. You always say, make it sure we link up and we go this or this, so she don't have no time. She dey here. She live here from when? How long she live here with me?
What do you mean? So much passion now?
But you act like I first me tell you say she live here with me. Me tell you how long, but you never believe me, so me I repeat back myself.
I want to see her a long time, I don't see her now.
Marika! Come here! She dey here.
You look good, though, my sister, man.
Yes, master. Look here, you're going like a 1 year, you take finance me. I just 3 months, I since 3 months. A 3 months or 3 year? Oh, 3 year. You're going like you know remember your brother what? In growth aside? In growth aside?
Brown.
Come like in growth aside to you? So I'm not great to me one another. How this is 2 months I look down, how she get big not you?
Yeah, big brother up there, huh?
The girl birthday gone, how much month now? 23-year-old. She a grow up, come up and with like a big
Nice
chiton
to see
big
you
woman.
too, brother.
Big woman she
Tell me
turn.
it take so long to come.
Me they tell him how long say you live here. And he say, I like me they tell, cause you live a which part mother where mother live at some country and they say they come and you not come, but me glad.
The friend of me now.
So you live with a big sister now. Make sure you not get in trouble, you know.
No, I'm not get trouble.
And make sure you do your house chores them, because you look lazy.
No man, she lazy for you know, but sometimes she will do little work like clean up the place and
And you
sometimes
can't
she
call
will
me
cook.
and tell me nothing, so you're not doing what you're supposed to do.
Is what?
You got to
Oh,
go.
hello. I know your mother this, you know, your brother.
No, but
And him bigger than you,
it
him
sound
bigger
like
than
you
him,
are
him
big.
bigger than you. Although you're 23, we know, say you're a big one, you know, talk to you like you're not little picnic, but you have to have respect to the bigger one them.
Can I get some juice, please?
You soon get the juice, my brother. You know, tell him about your good daughter we have.
Oh, yeah, me have one daughter.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
So how much now?
She's 2 years old.
Long time sister tell me say you're pregnant or all that something, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So when may I get to see her?
Let me see her soon.
What do you mean soon?
She's not there yet now.
So what's special day?
She's at her father. Her father is rich, so I'm gonna have to keep her.
And make sure you take care of her, as what you say.
She's her father, so obviously I'm gonna take care of her.
So you say nothing to her?
Yeah, when me have look with something, I say I'm gonna give her.
One time I get some vegetable gift from St. Elizabeth, can come go now. Can I send out girl and everything, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. But my thirsty still more the juice.
Anyway, go on in and talk to him. When he come in, you give me drinks or something and go take it himself. Alright. Bro, we sister breed for rich man.
That me should I say?
Say our baby father have 6 bike on road. And how much his vehicle and sitting and how their family rich. What you
I'm going to
know?
not tell her, you know?
So we have one rich niece. Me not say lie. I don't know if I lie or true, but what she said me they tell you.
Yeah.
Yes. So look more friend this all we can get. Visa and go foreign. Cause rich people them she said they fly out all the while. She then take plane like taxi. Jesus. Master.
So
Anyway.
what things you do, sister?
Eh?
What things you do?
Anyway, you never come to stay because you act like you want to go back.
Anyway, you don't come for stay long, you know.
Eh. You just come and they go
No,
so.
but I watch me that come and see me apart. You must be stay long, see me come
I
part.
lie. I watch you go.
Yeah, just give me a good time to come
Who
look.
you going to look for?
When I say I come look for one, I'm going to see I'm looking system, I'm see how long now.
Jesus Christ.
I can't turn my kind of porch car out, you know.
I think you come to stay. Anyway,
No.
alright, because watch you far from you. So alright.
Just give me a good time, I can spend 1 or 2 weeks with them, man, yeah?
Alright, you come back?
Yes, sister, man.
You give you a little time, you know, a little time you say no, bro.
Alright.
I remember saying me and your sister they here. And we are waiting for you. Okay, later.
Sister! Crystal! My sister!
Watch ya. Watch ya. You surprised me.
Why?
Actually, chat. Why do you them fly fast, eh?
Yes.
My box, man. You know, I had about 3 to 4 months, me not see you. Me glad say you come.
No things not come up, man.
Good brother, your sister inside. Come on, we are turn up out and side. Come in, man.
Why?
What she over there on
I
phone?
have to take off all my shoes, because you know, my people have all shoes in the house, you know.
You know me turn already. Take off your shoes and come inside. You make sure you carry back this time, because you know you're not good. You're going empty there. Like what you do last time, not do it, you know. I'm not like grill.
Okay, yeah.
I finally reached.
Yes.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm a good man.
So how was the journey?
It was a long journey.
Alright.
A long journey. Things you like carrot, you know.
You may then stay there till now. You know how long
Oh,
I
for
see
good.
where you carry fuel. Why not have a girl? Why not this?
Clothes?
Your clothes in there?
Yes.
Okay, so me and Marika can sleep around in the next room and you sleep in this room.
No
Here?
problem.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
still want some niece, you know?
Yes, so get to see your niece.
So what mess my niece?
Soon as we say,
Boy, I come out the last 4 months ago, I come here, you say me so say I'm come back now. I start on the same story.
Hold on, you know can keep that conversation there when me gone. You see? Before you come here now, if I notice me just have me shower and me go down the road, go do something. You and her can talk. Are your sister?
Me have a conversation.
You know can talk and sitting and anyway. What do you want me carry back phone now?
KFC.
KFC, me not so much money, your brother rich in your
I
money.
can get money if you buy.
But you say your baby father rich, you should even shout at
Don't
him.
worry about that, man. Don't worry about that.
Me backside, alright. Anyway,
Bucket.
later.
Why you do that for? Where ease up so far when me say bucket?
That's just too high.
Then obviously when somebody hears something, I must take it biggies. Okay, I don't know when I get again.
So I'm here.
Oh yeah, then.
Let's go on TikTok now.
Oh.
So that for?
No, but that's such a phone. You can't touch it? What we can't touch
I
it?
must have your sister, brother and sister. You can't do that.
So what for do with that?
What you try to do?
What mean what me I try to?
You have family ram? Eh? What am I coming here for?
Family.
Hey. You can't do them something there. Your brother and sister, we can't do them something there.
Brother, relax. Stop behave like that. Stop going so. Yeah, me know some me a little sister. But my big sister not have to know nothing about weekend.
Hey. So all of me say this to you, you're serious?
Of
Eh?
course,
Me can't deal with you, I'm my sister, me cannot deal with you. He's my sister, me cannot deal with you. Me
I
can't deal
never
with you.
saw a man so fool, a woman I give you something you don't want to.
No. Not from sister. Not from my sister. Yeah, I'm a sister.
And so,
And no matter of fact, as big sister come here, I make sure you know this.
she don't have to know nothing.
No.
But why you behave like that?
No.
Fool. Bye, bro. Love you. But you say come back and look for me. Hey, look here. Don't tell sister I'm going today, yeah? Mwah.
Why, how tired? Where we brother there? He gonna be there.
You say I'm going down the road.
Oh. Eh?
I'm going down the road.
He's saying gone down the road.
Yeah.
Why?
No.
Backside a girl. Hey, for my brother, no easy, you know, a girl is, you know. You know, see how we brother cute girl. Good looking. My father bring good, cute brother upon earth for me have, and you have too. Yeah. Well, like kinda nice too, although we are different, mother. I don't know.
Yeah, that's true.
So, yeah, my brother cook today. Wanna get along alright and everything. Hold on. My phone a ring. Me put it on vibrate. I'm there in one piece of crowd today and alright, I'm better call me. Couldn't just go along with the road and up. Yeah, bro.
Sister, I can't do this, you know.
What do you mean you can't do this? I want you. You and somebody out the road in or something?
No, so you know, so I want to go America in an intimate sitting with me.
What you say?
Yeah.
Which
Me feel push her for me.
I lie they tell.
Yeah. I don't know. Me say a woman that tell me about her mother. Just like her mother, like mother like daughter.
Brother, I serious sitting here talk. Remember say our sister that you know, me not think so she stay so. She not stay so.
Why me tell you to lie?
Why you go tell me lie? Me not say lie, you tell me just I say me not think she stay so cause me not know if she stay like that.
Well,
like seriously?
Well, that happen. I'm not come back there.
You not come back? Jesus Christ. You are me one brother and you tell me say you come visit me and stay with me. A matter of fact, the two of we are stay with you, you tell me say you not come back no tal.
What to brother?
That's what I say.
What you mean want to brother? Anyway, me call you back and continue the conversation. Because me can see you vex with you. Me know you know, you're my brother, you know. And me know you say when time you vex real. Say, so, hold on there. Can you take up your bag and go on with it? Hold
Yeah,
on.
walk with him back.
So you know say out the road in... You have your bag?
Yeah, my sister, I'm back, man. See me now, come back, man. I'm gone.
Jesus Christ. Alright,
Yeah,
me
so
call you and
I'm
talk to
gonna
you. Hold on, me call you and talk to you. Me have to talk to Mar... Alright. Let me hear chef. Oh, hello, no one talk to you, nobody get up.
What happened?
What you mean what happened? What happened to you and we brother little while here? Since me gone?
Well,
Not even 1 hour ago me gone.
in Sudan, that's up on him phone. Me there, so me say to him, so what happened? Me say, me laugh and he say, what happened? Me say, no. Then me say, what you are doing? Say, up on him phone and scroll through TikTok. Me just go there, so look on him phone. Him man start say, me a push up on him. So me I say, what? What you mean me a push up on you? Me just come and look on your phone. You say, yeah, scroll through TikTok. My phone is dead. See that my phone is dead. So I just go there, so I look on him phone, and the man just start get ignorant, and I say, me not that the type of person. So me like, what wrong with you? What you talk about? Me just
Marika,
come
me
to
know
look
my
on
brother,
your
you know.
phone.
Me know my brother. And me nah say my brother never tell no lie yet, you know. But he never tell me one lie yet. So why you da really make up such a lie now and tell me we are bigger sister? Me have no bigger sister, you know.
I know.
So why who they tell lie from who they talk the truth? Right now me confused.
But
But my brother never tell me lie.
Stay here so in the first place.
No, he always come stay here when you never live here. The other day when he come few months ago, he say when the hurricane a go a Ochi, I told him I pass through this side here.
Probably
Make him
want some
stop and
people
come
working.
check me so he see you cause a long time he no see you. So he name stop. Look how much time he come and come and sleep and sit now.
Yeah, brother fix up on the funny ground.
You act like I know your brother too. What you mean me and my brother fi fix up with folly grounds? Marka, like seriously, you really did a push on yourself and we brother? Are your brother, you know, your family ram youth? 23-year-old. Remember you have one youth, you know?
Different mother, so anything, any game player, me go get blamed because me an outcast.
I know true, you're a different mother. If you're the push on pan with brother for true, that is wrong. And that a family wrong thing. Suppose he did one of them dirty man there. We would have really want to come have intercourse with you. And you go get pregnant. How would that go now? You would have disabled picnic and one for sitting. And then we look like an idiot in our family. Me thank God he not do nothing with you. You know so me believe me, brother? Me not know about everything else where you tell me. Me not say I lie them, you know, but this my brother always tell me the truth. And me and him grow together. You just not grow with me because you have different mother.
That's what I told you. I don't grow with you guys.
No, you're different man.
Mother. So any game play, Marika go get blamed. Because Marika different. Marika is the outcast.
Here, yeah. So why we brother would have tell like on your little sister like that? Are your only small sister I have? Me and bigger sister. Alright. Me know why you go send me a text side. You know what? Me not bother believe no now. No. Me just make it stay. Make it stay. Me we call my brother one another time when he in a right mind, because right now he ignorant and a cuss and a go on with himself. And if you want a good while now, me never hear him the behave so yet. So me I wonder how in that they tell such a lie, but make it stay, because me no want me have nothing, you know. Me don't want me have anything. So make it stay right there. So everything good, man. Make it stay, but yes, if I chew in the talk, Marika, are your brother. You can't have sex with your brother.
You finished up?
Me not done, you know.
Is the conversation finished?
No, you know, finish.
Well, I am finished.
Oh, God. Alright, sit down. Alright, here. Marika. Me go to the road, go pay my partner money and buy some grocery. You hear? So, I don't know what time I go come back still. You understand? So, cook some food, sit in there for cook. I go to the road. Maybe me and catch in the town and stop. I don't come back for now.
Alright, sister.
I start out something.
Hello? You can't come now, she gone. Yeah, she not come back for now. Hurry up, nobody take long, you know. Alright, maybe fine. Yeah.
take your time, let's say, in a movie.
I said come quick.
When I come here, go switch.
Come.
How much a pound?
Come on, son.
But what I want to make, how much money you have? You want to make sure.
How much money you have?
You want to say I want 2 grand, maybe I got me like 15 days outside.
Listen to me. You see that 2 grand there? You have to give me all of it because $1,500 go right. Because you're short already.
No man, but me nah know much. You have to have 5 bills to pay me for your go home and buy one water.
You can walk, go back home. Alright then, nobody.
But I
Come, you love talk.
Oh, Jesus, I left my phone. Boy, watch out, I left my phone. I left my phone. Boy. Just Christ. Marika! I'm my phone me did left. My phone come here.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus, you not get you, man. Yo, Ashley. Oh, God. Mandaya. Yeah, man, me good. How you, baby? Oh, which part are they? Oh, yeah, they're on the road. Alright, me up on my yard. Me want you come look for me. Come on, give you something for you, baby. Just take one Peter C taxi, man. Yeah, man. When I not driving, make you know your direction. Alright.
Okay, remember say I shouldn't know where you live. Direct.
Girl. She can't make me come now. Can't me just leave the baby at daycare.
You left your baby away?
Daycare for 2 hours,
But if
girl.
you say the dog carry baby up here.
She can't me say me a hurry.
Come on, brother. Go sit down. Go sit down. We come want to see baby.
Just leave him down at daycare for 2 hours. Me tell the lady say me soon come back.
Alright then. Anyway, I'm calling because I want to get this say baby. And I change you're supposed to get 15,000.
So, oh, you know, give me nothing for myself.
Actually, me tell you so when I get something, I'm going to give you something for yourself.
Alright, then, anything you say?
I want Bex a Bex.
No, sir. No, don't do that, girl. Don't do that. Me not doing something there. Not doing something there.
Oh,
You
that's
can't
what
say
I
that.
actually don't know. Oh, you thought, but they know so me not work or nothing, so that's why every little thing me have me give for your baby. Understand? But sometimes I can't take $1,000 for yourself, you know?
No, money can't come out of this myself. I have to just make sure so I buy Pampers and I feed and I
Feed
wipes
and
the baby.
wipes,
Make sure
yes.
say baby good.
But how she a going? Where she a going with you now?
She alright, you know. She alright. She just play one at a time. I left her. You know? Yeah.
Me sorry, man. But that's why I go.
So you're good?
Yeah, me good, you know, self and my sister, me they still, so. I'm going all the things.
Marika.
Oh, I see my sister.
Marika. I'm tired. I'm tired to kill. Remember me tell you say me go pay the part of money and me get them here. Girl.
I clear bag, you really get the food and then you're going to get one bag where not sure where you go buy. You want people to know your business?
At this time tell me in a supermarket. At this time have. They run out of scandal bag. Sorry, me love. I make me want them to use. What you not like?
The bag.
Can I like when there?
No, everything in my bag, but people feel know my business. You know that?
Well, them lucky. Them alright. Them lucky them my how old is I?
Hey.
Sister, this is my friend Ashley from school days. We are best friend.
Oh, hi Ashley.
Ashley, this is my sister.
I'm Crystal. Nice meeting you, yeah? Alright, let's see if we can cool down and get a little wash off.
Alright, sister. You
Alright.
like yourself.
Yeah.
So, may I go back now?
Yeah.
Let me tell you. Yeah. So,
So
come
come
on.
when I reach down. Come on for the car and see you. Come on for the car and see you. Later.
Yeah.
Marika, look how me talk to you. Hmm? Look how me talk to you. You're not here, girl. How you feel have sex and not use protection? You're crazy. When they have sex, it come like I don't care. You know, no practice control. You don't know, say, protection and not hunger for baby alone and not hunger for disease. I feel hold it more sitting. See then now, you hear what the doctor said to me? Me have to carry your back for you do one blood test. So then the pill where they give me, adjust to the pain where you feel on your belly bottom. And for the infection, girl. Then say some STI and some STD. I don't know how I don't study medical, but they have to do blood test to find out what the problem in your blood. Every minute they scratch. Tap, scratch up your hand. I make the people them see a scratch up your hand. You know no more now and when time you chat to him and them. Me know see a big old girl, you know, 23-year-old, a big woman that you know, baby, you know, teenager. And look, you know, come on, I can't bother with this no more, man. For the injection?
Yeah.
You have to go make up your mind and draw out your blood, kill it, and you have to taste your blood. Hold up your suckers. The woman just put it little plaster on you and you make it drop off already. Hold your hands up. I'll see if I now go talk the truth. I come like a pale. Oi. Wait for me. I know where they run, they go, me have a key. Where you going? I'm not talk the truth, man. Stop telling lies. Come. Where are we on man to start off. You need to tell me how much man you did have unprotected sex with. Means your bigger sister. Me supposed to can answer any question. And any you rank with me like how you rank with me out the road, I can't tell me about me a 23-year-old and me a pick me, you know, and me ask you nothing. Listen, you see if you when they listen to me when me they try to school you, this wouldn't happen to you. This wouldn't happen to you. I want to know how much different. I know you're not going to tell me the truth, you go say one and I'm going to be baby father with your lied self. Anyway, why you did I walk around and have unprotected sex? How would that help you? You know, wish we, me not understand. Marika, you me a talk, you know? And you me the talk. I say
I saw me make my money.
I say you make your money.
Yes, that's
and you feel bossy. You feel bossy.
But me just, at least me I make money for give me picnic. Just feel so that's the best way for right now.
Actually, I never want to shame you on the road. Remember saying, no, they have their lab, they do everything same place. They draw out your blood and then tell you the result. Oh, you feel have STD, STI and how much different infection in your body. One man give you so much sitting. Although the doctor say one body can have up to 20 or more different type of disease. But I don't believe say one man you did have sex with. What is your problem? I hope you don't make me knee sketching up me, you know.
No,
so hold on there, Marika. I know you love chat about chew me your bigger sister, me they fast in your business. Where your baby father there?
in the yard.
So him know say this are the one down there so.
No.
You not tell him. When you start to feel the symptoms them and see them and they scratch and this and that, when?
Last week.
So look here, you realize you're sick? So listen to me now. You know why me I do this to you, Marika? To you're my little sister. And you live with me, I help you. Although you not listen to me. You know where you go after though? Go for my niece down at your baby father yard and carry him come here so. Because me no when me talk to me. Me no understand how me fi have one niece and never see it yet. Me never see me niece yet. You go tell me say I want girl. I don't know if I want butterfly, cockroach or rat. Why me can't see me niece? You know what me go do? Me not go tell you. Me wait till you carry my niece come here. Me wait till you carry my niece. Come here. Then me tell you why in my head. What me plan for do. Cause I don't know how me have my own niece and me can't see my niece. You tell me how she a 2-year-old now. So long. Well at 2. You keep her in your belly for 9 months. You have her for... I know you have her, me forgot. You said the father have her. And I know me can't see that the father there. You can't explain who the father is. What is your problem? Talk. Let me give you time to talk. You see to me love talk.
Well, if you explain that, when you carry baby come,
When go carry baby come?
Up here.
Yeah, so?
Or me go for baby, then you
No, me want to see him for true. So if he can come down here, make him come. I do not care.
Well, if we carry baby come, if me ask him to carry baby come.
Oh. Okay. So the car then what you're saying have, why you not making give you one and me know you cannot drive, just put it on the road and run some taxi and make some money.
Because all of them rent out.
And me depend on for everything and you know want to work. They tell me you go to supermarket and they say no vacancy, they don't want nobody. When you go look at job, Marika?
Tomorrow.
Make sure. Anyway. You see them here? I'm sorry for you. You see? Make sure me not have to give you them if you take them, you know. Read it. Read it. See the read it. See them. You not even paste them down good. Get there. I see me fast in here sitting so. Read it. This after meal 2 times a day. How the backside this? This 1 time after meal every day. What is that? That's so much clothes and skirt. Well, I'm pushing in back before you send me too far. Anyway. My backside. You see this? This a pain pill. Look on the read it, you can't read. I know you're not done, so you're just fool. I make man a trick you. A pain pill this. This are for the pain down in your belly button. You hear what doctor say? Infection in your fallopian tube. Because you have unprotected sex. That means germs in your blood. Suppose me never have my little change. If you carry you go over clinic. Because I no money if you carry you go private doctor in America. And me alone have to help you.
I know that, sister.
Make sure you take. You know what? Me I go put them down in your room. So, you see when time you have to take them on time. Yes, me sorry for you, you go join, I go think. And it go rotten. And if you come side of me, I go run and I go avoid you, and I go tell people say me I know nothing because you need to listen to me. You hear what me say? If you want to smell bad, that's for your business. You're lucky say you don't start smell yet. You're lucky say you have one good sister like me because you got a doctor. You're lucky. Make sure say, remember say the doctor said them pill when they have sex, you name it, palm medication, you know. Now this happen to you, you're the palm medication. You're not to have no sex. 1 year, you're not to have no sex for, although this now serve for 1 year. You hear what me say? Okay, kind of shake your head and do like you want ball. You think I'm busy with you, you're not listen to me. It's this will not happen to you. You love it. Me say that day, me go to the road, you know, and me one girl call her name and me act like me and not me girl down at the bar chat about how one girl named Marika, where she and Crystal, the girl not even see me. She and one next one named Crystal, her sister. How Marika bad and they how much man. You see, any day me catch you with no kill this man, you not go like it. You put them in your room, and when you take them, you take them. You did eat before you got after this man?
No.
I would then so you have to take a blood test. Yeah, what they give you? Why you not sick when they give you? Glucose, water?
No.
So you just drink it? Okay. See them there on your bed. See them there, dash them over there. See there, so take them enough to take them. You want vex, you vex, but to water other. Now you feel they have unprotected sex. You're mad no. Hello. Hold on there. Now your name Ashley?
Yes.
Are you me did come sit over me the other day with my sister on the veranda?
Yeah.
My backside. So we are doing my niece and my niece this, you know? You and the baby father related?
No.
So how you come by my niece?
You know, say, me and Marika friend, and from the baby did younger, she bring the baby come give me, and so I to take care of the baby because she not have no baby father. Shot me baby father until my mother.
What you say?
She said she not have no baby father. Shot me my baby father and my mother dead.
Girl, a joke you make, what you mean shark?
That's what she tell me.
She tell us a shark. Me and my baby father.
Yes.
So, what you say? Where when they say about mother?
And she say her mother sick with her heart and dead.
Jesus
Much
Christ.
years that she tell me. And I say, you know what? I go stay with him because me and her friend from school days. We are friends for a long time. So I go stay with her.
Marika say her mother dead.
Yeah, that
And
she tell
shark
me.
me and my baby father.
Yeah.
Oh God. Jesus. I wonder if I true. So her mother did and she not tell me. And she not tell me say her baby father dead. I don't understand this. I mean her sister, which you know already because you did meet me and you meet up on the veranda over the yard. Me see you.
Even the day when I come over there, and money me come for to buy pampers and feed and wife. Because the wife say money pampers and feed me there feed baby, then finish. And she only give me, I think $15,000 she give me.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. She even tell me say she go give me a money for myself and me ask her, she said, girl, me not have here because me not work and rare. So I say, alright then, I can stay. Me go and look by baby same way.
Oh God, my niece. You alright, mama? Oh my. Look how baby pretty. So why is she not? You and her a friend. Look here, don't get me wrong. You and her a friend. Me not say she can't and she couldn't carry the baby come stay with you. But me her sister, why she never carry the baby come give me if the baby stay with me? Me not understand this.
Me no know.
So you have the baby from the baby small until now. Cause she tell me say the baby are 2 and she look like
she are 2. Yeah, she are 2-year-old. She's 2.
So wait, they look out on this road there. Why this other road the elephant?
You know, say she sick, she have cold and some cold bush. Me I go look for her because she have cold.
And you not have no money to carry her
No
doctor?
money. And the mother ever hide me out. You know, from when I see mother,
Alright.
and me have to come go look for your mother other day and get the little money when me get. You buy pampers.
But she tell me say she call up on the phone.
Yes, she call me. She call me.
Okay. And she tell me say a pass, she say the pass.
No.
Me no know. She tell me
No,
say
me never that pass, but she just call me and tell me to come pick up her money for the baby. So me just come and pick up the money. Same time, me
at
just
2 different stories she give me. She tell me say she call up on the phone, then she tell me say a pass, she did a pass. But me just make it go on and act like me not hear what she say. She say a pass, she say the pass, and they say where they do round that road there. She never know, say you know the road here. Anyway, me not understand how the baby have cold and sick, and you they walk in a them a wet cold place. I look on the situation on the road.
Actually, me not have nobody down and me have to stay with her because I'm her alone.
So
and me
why
say,
council for this street here?
I
Why they
don't-
not fix the road?
I don't know, you know. I mean, I try to find out who I can tell you.
And the water, they mash up the road, they need to fix the road. That's why I say, you see? And that's, but I say nothing because I'm not going to politics. Anyway, you say she's sick and I'm in need, so guess what? I go in there, you know, come and go do something. Don't know one of my friends down there. So. Anyway, I'll give you $300.
Okay.
Do me the beg you. Carry my niece, go to doctor, get medication for her by feeding and her pampers and her wipes them.
Alright,
You understand me? So what is the name again? Ashley, you say,
Ashley,
right?
yeah,
Me I try
yeah.
to remember.
Ashley.
Ashley, you tell me from the veranda, right?
Yes.
Ashley. Alright, take this for yourself and thank you for looking about my niece.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, so now you have juice and food in the house here?
Yeah, me have a little juice, not much, but that's a
You see,
little.
me don't want you run out or nothing. Take this and buy some more juice. Alright, here?
Alright,
Alright, my mama. Kiss auntie. Mwah. Later, here?
alright.
Marika. Want to talk to you. Out here, someone talk to you. You never hear me call your girl. You know how long me come and say Marika?
They run our bathroom.
Eh?
They run our bathroom.
I can't hear you. No, sir. Anyway. Oh, I'm tired. As you can see, you know, so I may go up on the road go do some little errands and same thing. I just have come back. I'm tired of sitting there. You cook?
Mm-hmm.
What you cook?
White rice and mackerel.
Okay. Anyway. I want to see my niece. I don't understand how I can't see my niece. You have to go call your baby father and tell him to carry me. Your daughter come so I can see him. I can see her. I forgot to see her one girl. Lord Jesus. You see, remember say you know, the other day you tell me say your baby father will carry the baby come.
Yeah, me know, so me tell her that, but right now I'm busy, so I don't think me go can make him carry the baby come.
Oh, you know I'm busy?
Remember say I run Cara Martin and he run rental car and then look at something there, so he not gonna really have the time for left and Cara Malia come here, so me would have to go for her.
So how me go see my niece now?
I would have to go for her if you can see her.
Anyway, you have money?
No money.
I don't know how far they're going on. I don't know how far my niece there. But you must know where your baby father live. I have my niece and it go on like I say one boss you up. The child belongs to it when you know.
I know
She must can come spend time with you and spend time with the father.
I know about true must say the environment when I did the baby train did I say environment dirty and not clean. And you know want the baby catch up germs this so that's why they take a baby. So like when I did so now probably we give me a baby but you not gonna give me him feel on me.
And now your child.
Means I want to take care and child yourself, you want the baby there. And
So
I
it look
care.
like you feel comfortable for the father have the child, they grow the child and you not did if no pay no attention to it, the child not all.
And that's why I feel comfortable but I feel say best for her because me not work, in my work. So I best if you just go and take care of child. And me not have
Hold
no
this,
to
because I
myself.
know you're still already. Hold that. Give me change phone, give me. Pay your fare, go and pay your fare, come back. If you want a water, drink it. Don't buy no juice. Too much sugar in there. Anyway, go on for me niece. Where you sleep
I
at?
know me feel
Right now, me want her. Right now, she dey sleep here tonight.
Sleep yourself tonight.
What happened?
Me not think your father go want allow that.
Tell your father, say, you have one mad psycho. Delulu. Crazy. Mad sister. No make me find him. All when you don't want to tell me when there, me will walk and ask and people have to go show me where that the baby father there. Me want to see my niece.
Alright.
Girl, you realize that at one time, the one time where you went carry my niece go and show me, me have to say me never see him don't talk because she a 2-year-old. Right now, if me see her, me don't remember her. One no more time you show me my niece. When she must see 1 year and a half, they go to 2 years. Long time that. Now you tell me say she a 2-year-old. No, me cannot see back my niece again. That means you have to spit out that one time. Me not see my niece no time. Me never see her yet. Right now, me not remember her face.
Alright, me go for you.
Me want you to come stay with me a little bit. Tell your baby father where they worship like I say my God say. Your sister say, if he give you the baby, make the baby come stay with me for a little while. And if he give you clothes too.
Yeah.
Then when the baby stay with me about 1 week, 2 weeks or 1 month, then he will get back the baby.
Well, yeah.
Go on, put on your slippers right there so.
I'm so tired.
And make night come down darker than this before me see you come here. I don't care how far you're gone. Me wait for my niece and you. And I'm about to tap a road with no man, you know. Remember say that on medication, you know, you're not supposed to have sex. Remember? You go drink some water. And I make quint. And I make cup take off them drawers. I ain't reach ya. Oh.
Yeah, careful.
What? Denise, what? You alright? You alright, mama? Eh? You alright? Look how long you not see me? How long you not see her?
Long time.
Long time you not see her. You not shame? You own a child. You not shame? Marika? You not shame? You know you're not shame.
I'm not ashamed for.
And that may I say, because the father have her, so you're not go shame.
As long as she alright and she comfortable.
Okay. And then you're planting. Anyway, you know, say 1 month me have me plan to make she stay here though. You talk to the father about it?
No?
Well, she now go back down there today, yeah. And my niece, and she have to go come spend some time with me to get used to me. Right now, if me touch her, she start crying. You, she go maybe hold on pan because she know say, you are the mother. Nah, go want me touch him. She don't want me touch her. No talk. let you. Cause you know make me used to my own knees. Come. Watch out. Come to auntie, baby. Come to auntie. Come to auntie. Come to auntie. You see? You see where you cause? She not used to her uncle. She not used to her auntie. I saw you grow her. So she don't know for your side of family them.
Auntie, she go get to know you anytime, right?
That's how anytime go right. When she at 25?
Might be. I don't know.
Me backside. Anyway, I don't have no time and sit down and me want to know say me get my niece here so if you can spend little time with me and we good to go. Go and go. How long she in that dress here?
I don't know.
And her pampers look like you want change, so anyway, come carry her in. Because she not go back. Me sorry for your pooper, because you not go back down there tonight. Come, go on in. I don't know if me have my niece, so I can't spend no time with my niece. Where the key there? Big real time. I'm ready to call that key. Yeah. Now go out on the road. You see lady where this time to go to see for the money? She say, I'm here to get her now. So I have to go collect it before she go ahead. You know that the woman there she stay. She not like when I come here, I call her and I make nice fear.
You want me to come here?
No, it's alright. You can't stay till me come back, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, go on and come.
Richie, come over here, son. I want to talk to you about something important.
Oh, God, I know.
You remember when I used to buy phone from my mother? I used to do it. And you can't tell me say nobody you come buy phone cars or what. But I say you fix up yourself and get money and something. And I better all the job my mother do.
Let me tap you for a second. So, what that have to do with nothing now? Where you try to bring up that for now? That gone how long and sitting, what that have to do with nothing?
That I try to tell you say. More me if it did.
No, I'm not depend on that, you know.
You're not depend on that?
No, I'm not depend on that.
Fine.
I'm good with my woman.
A good little one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay then. So when she come in, I go say sister and I say me have something to tell her. You know say, I didn't know say I'm gonna give a bun with my mother we and I like.
So hold on, let me ask you a question. You try to blackmail me?
No, me not blackmail though. It's just that when me want something get done, it have to get done.
Listen, that not gonna work. That not gonna work because that only put me in a more problem and mash up my relationship.
Unless you go talk. I mean, no baby can't talk. So you say, is either you want your woman to know say you're a cheater and your boyfriend, because it look like my sister one not good enough for you. So my mother one good enough for you. My one would have been
Alright, done. Alright, so yeah man, alright, yeah, we can then. Yeah.
Good boy. This is say you have sense.
Alright.
So we say you now go to peace now.
Alright, so how we gonna do this? Cause see baby there, so you know, we can't do it with the baby, you know.
What do you mean we can't do it with the baby? Listen to me, we put her over a car now, we take it in her bed. She not gonna know nothing what go on, she not understand.
Alright, you have condom?
No, me not no condom.
Alright, don't worry about that. My woman have some hospital one in there. Can use them.
Alright then, so go and feed and come then now.
Then I room I go come on.
Oh, in your wife room? What you not have nothing about you? Come on.
Marika, you see, last night I don't understand. Whole time you're the ball, say they feel pain same way. So the medication them almost done. And you not tell me. Girl, you not see what mark on it? Eh?
Never remember if you tell us that they almost finished.
But me show you hit when we just get it from the doctor over at clinic. He say you don't see him right pan it down at the bottom. Say if you go back to pharmacy, what they call it, repeat. That mean if you go back and do it. Me know say you don't have no money, but you could have asked me for the money and for you to get the medication them. How much pill you have left pan it?
Around 4.
4. And you make me not sleep last night. Right now, sleep and kill me, girl, and me have somewhere to go.
Sorry about that.
Why? You eat from morning, because remember, say you have to eat first before you take a pill then.
No, I'm not eat yet. That's true. I did have to deal with the baby first. That's why.
How are you, gay baby?
My teeth, yeah.
Oh, anyway. Right now, sleep and kill me, girl. Sleep and kill me. Me whole night, me have to sit down up with you and tell me your belly bottom and hurt you and one heap of sitting. So, the urine infection, the pill where they give you for that, you know better?
No.
It's still... Girl, why you did have so much unprotected sex with one heap of man?
Sister, me tell you already, me not need to go back over that again.
Condom cheap plus free one over clinic and hospital. So if you don't have no excuse enough to protect yourself, you know, a year yourself. Remember, say you have one young baby, you know. A year yourself. Why you never ask me for money then? Although you never do them sitting there, you never run me. So, but you're a big old girl, 23-year-old, you don't know, so if you use condom.
Never know.
Protect you from get another baby before time and from disease. You think that you want to AIDS you have, that means you can't catch other sick. You know much different sickness the doctor tell me say you have. Your blood have to go purge out, clean out, good. Your body want detox right through blood sitting you want. Maybe pill them when you don't wonder why doctor put repeat on it. He knows say that the first set then I'm going to do nothing to you. Anyway, give me this and make me lie down and sleep. Because right now I'm tired.
I'm going to room.
I make sure she don't make your baby make no nice and made, you know. She love ball, you know. Find some chips or sitting gear for eat. So give me some of me lie down. Look around this house, you know, your room, you see what the red something cushion. Give me me lie down here so I make well at 5. Actually, my sister make me take care of you, know, make sure you eat and alright and carry all of that and sit, you know. It's more busy with you, you know, because you're not busy with yourself. Sure. I'm tired, man.
Crystal asleep, so I can go look for something.
Come like you don't know sense. Crystal, they right this one. Mommy kill I want to do that, you know.
So?
No, man, be till Crystal gone on the road.
Nah, I'm sorry to him go and do it now.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm tell him what. Oh.
No, man. You know, me not do this. Me not do it.
You know what?
Me not do it. Go on back in your room, man.
Alright, now wake up Crystal and tell him.
Alright. Come.
Alright, tell him.
Hold on there. What you doing in my room? What kind of fix up clothes you know the pan?
No, man. Here what happened.
What?
Washing machine never did work, and me just ask her if you come screw on one husband.
So you can't fix the machine if something wrong with it and your man?
Babes.
Me not understand. What going right here, so?
I don't know go on, man. I don't know go on. Machine never did work, and me ask her if you come screw on it.
And you will fix up clothes? Marika, what you doing in my room?
And something asked me if you can do film and me do it.
So you can't fix machine yourself and your man? Look here. You feel say me an idiot?
But sister, remember some have a baby, so think about that.
You take me for fool it one.
No, listen, man. There's no way we could have done nothing and you have a baby. That makes sense.
Me just tell us me I go take a 5, just a little nap. And you catching in my room? No, Marika, you have to go tell me this now. How long this a go on between the two now?
When you talk about sister, your mind gone far.
Him a fix up clothes, you take time and squeeze you come out like a sound little thief. You know that little rat.
Because me no want to wake up and somebody just take time.
You're damn right. You never want to wake up me. You never want me to wake up. But me wake up to catch you in the act. Me and your sister, where they doing in my room with me man. And you make me not sleep last night. And me just the right so I get a little 5 and you're gone in my room.
Sister, let me tell you the truth. And him force himself for me. He said if me not do it with him, he go make me come out of my sister house. So me did have to do it with him.
Babes, don't listen to what your sister tell us. She's a little liar. She is a little liar. And she blackmail me into doing this. Me never want to do nothing like this, you know. Because me I say this no right. And plus you gonna tell me say no lie she a tell. A lie she a tell. A lie she a tell.
I don't lie me I tell I truth. What me blackmail I say?
Marika, I want to believe you, but me don't know if me fi believe you. Listen to me, man.
What do you mean by that?
Your name Stinker Road. A matter of fact, babes. You did know say she have sick? You know say she sick? Eh?
What do you mean by she sick?
Sick like of infection, like STD and STI. You use condom?
Yeah, me use condom.
So why you do it? Why you make this girl so used to do certain things like that? Look how long me and you there. Why you do this? You fall for this girl trap. Although I'm my sister. It worse on my sister. You shouldn't even go there, so.
Me apologize, babes. Me never mean for this to happen. Me really apologize, but I really fear her fault. Babes, me really apologize. Me never mean for this to happen. But I really, she blackmail me into doing this. Me never want to do it.
The two of you have to go come out of my place. The two of you have to go come out of me. Girl, now tell me that. The two of you have to go come out of my place. A long time you stay so. Me a hear about you a long time. Let me tell you something. You see your friend when named Ashley? Me meet her down the road the other day about your who? Ashley. After you tell the girl lie. You tell the girl lie, oh, your mama dead because she's sick with her heart. And oh, your baby father go and see and shop, name your baby father. You're too, hey girl, you're too wicked. You never know, say me when go find out which part my niece there. Yeah, Ashley, and I know who name Ashley. You stand up there so I look. This surprising to you because me not tell you. Well, sorry for make you know. The girl's sick. I told my sister me not tell her certain things. Me have to carry her doctor how much time. When me not run out of money, me carry her clinic. Right now she have how much medication in her so. They take. Me take care of the girl. Me send her for her pick me with my niece. Me talk to you about her, my niece. And say them have to live here with me for a while.
Me can work out this. Just make she go on.
The two of you come out of my place. You girl.
Sister, please.
You are liar. You lie.
Sister, me lie with.
You too lie, you walk around and tell everybody lie. You feel something you know what go down between you and your stepfather? Eh? And your mother?
Alright.
You're wicked.
Alright, so you me go.
Babes, are them a dirty girl you want? Take her. Me I go come out if you now come
Me not take her. Me also send one chuck come for me things.
Send one chuck come for things, so you're ready to come out easy.
Then
You're
what
happy,
you do?
you're glad because I say come out.
But me don't want to come between you and your sister.
Oh, you fall. You already come between the two of we. Oh, you fall for what she say. What she say about you?
Me don't want to even go back over that. I can't tell her say I blackmail, she blackmail me.
Sister, when me and the baby I go, remember say me not know.
Which baby?
Remember say your niece, you know.
Which baby? And my niece. You're not going to go with her. You think me I send you out on the road with the baby if you go suffer with her? You're going to fudge out your way for your, whatever way for yourself.
Sister, me can't
You're not going to bring the baby with you. I am going to take care of my niece. Go on the road. Go look at job and find somewhere to go. You're too worthless.
Me can stay, right?
This won't deal with field case and you're alright.
Alright, come here. One. See baby.
Come. Go take up your clothes and come out of my place. Take up your clothes and come out. You go off your ball till you top today. You're not going. You're not saying if you go suffer from the road. You're too small. Happy night. Oh, soon get your juice. Come on. Why not? Take your things and come out. Take your hand. Go and go to your business and leave her. Maybe take care of her. You can't even take care of yourself. You don't have no front control. Come out. One. Which man you? One year ago, you know you love your picnic, you're too damn alive.
much you not answer her phone? Ashley. Ashley, no, ask me about no what. What kind of friend you be? Me trust out of everybody in the world, and you me trust. Me come to you when my baby just born, and me say, Ashley, more you keep me baby for me because me I go through certain stuff. And you tell me say, you just see me mother, and you just start labba your mouth so. You just chat everything and tell her everything. Now you see my sister, you tell my sister everything. Then you can't keep secret. What kind of friend I be? You know say you look a dirty girl. You know say I'm a good somebody. Me sorry me di can me pick the corn give you. Me say me sorry. You see you? Me say your day is coming, you know, Ashley. Your day is coming. And by the way, me not have nowhere to go, you know, and I done your yard. Me a come because me not know if I go because you make me up on the road now, you know.
What you say a while ago?
Me say, don't have for your yard.
Come over yard, come take my man, girl. Let you go on where you go, you know. Let you go on where you go. Me tell you something. You see you, you're wicked girl, you know. Hey. So me didn't know if you say that girl. You see Payagas, cool, you're wicked, you know. Can't believe say. You say me and your friend girl for school days. And you really do me this? Girl, you're wicked, you know. Me never know if you say you stay, girl. You're a wicked little bitch. Girl, imagine you come to me and you come in here, girl, and you tell me, say, oh, your mother dead, oh, she have heart problem and she sick and dead, and you tell me, oh, shot, me and your beautiful girl. Girl, this girl, you don't know how me grieve right now, you don't know how much string up, hey, I cannot even know, you know, girl. Oh, come on me here, come on, Cooper yard, come take Cooper, man. Girl, what do you say, girl? Girl, your father, or if you call your mother, man. And your mother, man, you take a step back, girl. Tell me, why you go to school if you're telling a girl? You just want to have holy palm, man. You always are going like you. Better than me, you know, but me just cool myself and still be friends with you, you know. And me can't believe that this really going to me right now, girl. Right now, me not even want you on my phone, no, girl. Me not want you on my phone. That me I tell you, me not want you on my phone. You get me upset right now. You want to use my girl and don't call back my phone, and that me I tell you, no, girl. Yeah, you want a wicked little dirty bitch. Don't call back my phone, bitch. No call back my phone, you upset me, girl. That's what I'm talking about. Come on me yard, if you come on me yard, girl, me murder you and make police come pick you up. You don't even know what you need, no, girl. And your sister, you tell lie, you walk and tell everybody lie. You tell me how you go pay me, girl. And me still keep your baby as a friend. As a best friend to for school days. And you do me this, girl. Girl, come off on my phone, girl. Hey, girl, hey, dirty girl. Come off on my phone. You call back my phone. That me I make you know.